There are some online skills that will require you to work very hard, study for days, weeks, or even months before you can start making money from them. I mean, SEO service is a good example, but hear it from my mouth now that there are also some skills that you can start making money from in less than 24 hours with zero experience. An example of such skill is transcription. To make it easier for you, let me call it typing for money. Transcription is all about listening and typing, but the interesting thing is that we are actually in the AI era. You know what that means? You don't even have to listen to anything or type anything, and yet you can start making your first couple of dollars today as a certified transcriber, and I mean with zero level experience. Now, let me quickly tell you one way you can stand out of your competition doing transcription. Just imagine telling your client that you can transcribe their audio into any language of their choice. Imagine how much you can make as extra when you are able to transcribe for people in more than 50 different languages. Yeah, I'll show you how to do that in this video. You will not need to type a single word. AI will do all the typing for you in any language that your client wants, and you will get this for free. With this, you should be able to make your money, and your ability to give your client or company the promise that you can transcribe in multiple languages is enough to stand out completely out of the crowd. And I promise you that if you follow the steps that I will be showing you in the next few seconds, you will land your first transcription paycheck in 24 hours or less with zero experience. I can easily take down this video and sell it as a full course, so make sure you watch this video because it's about the easiest way to start making money this year, and that of course will only happen if you take action. Sounds too good to be true? Then keep watching and let me show you how. Now, if you go to a marketplace like Fiverr, let me search for transcription service here. As you can see, these are freelancers making huge amount of money from just helping people all over the world convert their videos and audios into text. Every day, people want to turn their podcasts, their speaking conferences, their videos, their messages into text for several reasons, and these people are always on the internet looking for transcribers like you. This market can never be saturated because people want to write their own books, they want to document their activities on their website, they want to write their own blogs. Just mention it. So now that you have an idea of how important transcription service is and how much people are making from it, let me go ahead and help you make your life even better by showing you how you can offer this service without having to type or listen to any audio or video, and yet you will offer transcription service to people and make a lot of money from it. After that, I will show you how to either start your own transcribing service company or apply to companies that are looking for transcribers all over the world. And if you want to get customers from freelancing websites like Fiverr, then I will also show you what to do to get your first customers on Fiverr in 24 hours or thereabout. So for those of you that don't know much about transcription, you will be given an audio or video file, and then you are supposed to listen to them and convert the words or the audio into text. The problem many times is that if you're not a native English speaker, it can really be challenging for you to be able to easily hear what people are saying, especially when they are talking quite fast. And if you're slow or you're not accurate, then you will not make a lot because you will be spending too much time on a single job. And some companies will not even rate you highly if you're slow or you keep making errors. So instead of doing your own transcription manually, what you should do after collecting their audio or video file that you want to transcribe is to come to a website called v.io and open a free account if you don't already have one. Everything here is free. So as you can see, I am on a free plan, so relax. So let me assume that this is the video that I want to transcribe. Instead of trying to listen to this video and start transcribing manually, just come over here and click Create Project. Then click Upload a file and then go upload the audio or the video that you want to transcribe. Once it uploads, come here and click Subtitles. Then come here and click the Auto Subtitles. Here you can choose to change its default English. And here is where it becomes better because you can actually change this English here and choose any of the languages you want to transcribe to. So let's leave this in English just for this video. Feel free to explore this feature later. So the only thing you need to do here is just to click the create subtitle button, and even before you grab a cup of coffee, your transcription is ready. Isn't this amazing, guys? If you think so, please give this video a like right now and I will really appreciate. And also, if you are a first-time visitor to this channel and you would like to see more AI and digital marketing videos that will help you make money and save money this year, then subscribe to this channel. So as you can see, our audio has now been transcribed. But of course, you should at least read through it to be sure that everything is correct. And all you have to do here is just to copy this text and clean it up and then deliver your job and get your pay. Don't overthink it, guys. It is that easy. So, how do you start making money from this skill? Like I already mentioned, there are 3 ways you can actually make money as a transcriber this year. The first way, which is my best way, is for you to set up a transcription service company. And don't be overwhelmed by that. It's easy. I mean, you can start getting customers easily by approaching people that you know that will need your service. People like pastors, like podcasters, authors, speakers, teachers, and generally any job that requires that people speak. Some of them are already looking for something like this, while some others have not really thought about it. Approach them and tell those who never thought about it the reasons why they should have their transcribed compilations. Trust me, in a few minutes you will convince some of them and they will hire you. I'll be publishing a follow-up video, but you can easily get people from social media platforms like LinkedIn, like Facebook, and other social media platforms. Just keep talking about what you do. And if you have a little money, you can also run Facebook ads to target them. I mean, this is the easiest way to get people in less than 12 hours. Give this a try and thank me later. The second way you can make money is by applying to companies or websites that already are established and are looking for transcribers. We have plenty of such hiring websites on the internet. Some of them include gotranscript.com, rev.com, 3playmedia.com, and a lot of them on the internet. Just check them up, go to their footer section, and you should see their link to where you can apply. Also, make sure that you do your own work so you know which website is legit and have good record, because some of them, they could hire you and not pay. But if you want me to release another video to help you review some of these job sites, then you can drop your comments in the comment section box below and I will do my best. Like I said, this is not really my best option to make money from transcription, but since you don't have to be the one to look for your own customers, maybe this might sound like an incentive for you to try them out and give it a try. Finally, another way to make money from transcription is to create your own transcription gigs on freelancing websites like Fiverr.com, like Upwork, freelancers.com, and a host of others. Make sure you study the culture of this freelancing site and use your advantage, such as the ability to transcribe in different languages, and I am very sure that you will get your first couple of gigs in a couple of hours or days. Finally, why not? You can also combine all of these methods if you really want to go all out. The choice is yours. So give transcription a try and let me know if you will try it out by dropping your comments in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Go and work and make money, and make sure you like this video if you think I gave you value. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.